So this is a room tour of 10562 on the Disney Dream. Oh, the doors are so heavy. Just going in. Pop that back in. So as you first enter, on the left hand side you have the wardrobes. Sorry, so I've just got a few little things hung up. So you've got plenty of hangers and hanging space. Then you have a laundry bag if you want to send off laundry to be done. You've got a safe here. And it comes out like that. Very nice, like a drawer. And you've got more storage underneath here. Big storage space there. And then life jackets are up here, but there is also storage as well. So you've got like adult and child life jackets. Then you've got another wardrobe in here. It can get a little bit dark down this end, so it's night time at the moment, so it can be a little bit dark here. So you've got two more life jackets in here, and you've got plenty more hangers. And again, more storage space here and some nice drawers. So shelves, we've been putting shoes there, we normally do. Little hangers again there. Then on the right hand side, you've got your split bathroom and shower area. So you have the bathroom first. So this is the the toilet area first. So you've got like hanging space up here. You can hang like towels or clothes if you want anything to get changed. You've got a nice little shelf up there. Mickey towels, I love the little Mickey towels. Then we've got sink with our H2O soap here. I had a spare toilet roll up there for some reason. We've got two shelves here, really handy for just putting toiletries and things. Sometimes you can find it like, you know, you want to put your toothbrush and things in here. Someone can be doing brushing the teeth in here while someone does makeup in the other one if they're having a shower, or you could have your hair products and stuff in here and things. I've got tissues, waste paper bin, bags for sanitary products, and a Sharpie box down there as well. Then you've got a nice little mirror here and a nice little light above. So it's really nice. Small, but it's, you know, it's cozy. It's just enough space in that one. Then this one, we don't have a round tub like we did last time on the Dream, one of our rooms. This is like the squarish tub because this is a room for 3 people. So it's a square tub. Oh, Matilda's got a socky in there. So you've got a round sink here. Again, you've got a waste paper bin, tissues, towels, and you've got the big towels here for bathing. And then this is around the sink. This is just some of our stuff that I've started to put out. So you get a Mickey soap, a makeup cloth, and a body lotion. This makeup cloth is really nice. I've used it a few times now. It's really, really nice. Then there is a little shelf up here. I'm just going to move some of the stuff off that we've put on just so that you can actually see the shelf. I've just been putting toothbrushes and things on there. So you get a shelf here with 3 little face cloths, and then there is another larger shelf up top here. So it's nice having 2 kind of shelves there. Then you've got a mirror here with like a zoomed in section. You can see there, look, zooming on my phone. And a nice kind of light up there. And this is your shower. So I've currently got mine and Matilda's swimming costumes just drying out because we've been in the pool today. So you get 2 pulleys on this one though, which is really good that you get 2 pulleys. So we've got 1 pulley extended at the minute, and then there's another pulley there that comes out like as a washing line. Then you've got all the H2O products. So you've got the shampoo, conditioner, and a body wash. And then I always bring one of these with us, like a body puff to wash ourselves with. I just always have to know, like, just bring one. We use one at home, so I always bring one with us when we go on holiday. So I'm just hanging Matilda's swimming costume back up again to try and dry it out a little bit quick. So that is the bathroom area. And then you also have a full length mirror here, which is really handy having the full length mirror there. We forgot the swimming costumes in the... Oh, Oh, Ant's just poured Coke on himself. The swimming costumes are hung up in the bathroom. Then here you've got 3 drawers. Oh. There's like 3 deep drawers here. They're all the same. Then that's just our bits. You get 4 glasses here. 2 shelves. We've managed to squash our lounge flies in there. Then that's the connecting door. We were both sat here this morning saying, well, just then we were packing, saying, oh, I'd love to take this picture home with us. I don't know what it is, but we just both really, really like it, don't we? It's really, really nice. Oh yeah, we had the lounge flies on hooks here, so we have like magnetic hooks that we bought that we hang the lounge flies up on. And this is the bed. So we've got a sausage dog tonight. Did she see the sausage dog? She'll like the sausage dog. I mean, you do get 2 hooks here, so they do come with 2 hooks anyway, but we always like put extra magnetic hooks up. Then you've got 2 points either side. There's only one that you can kind of charge phones on though.
There's only one socket. There's 2 light switches but 1 socket.
Yeah, so there's only 1 socket on this side here, so we've got a plug in there, and then the light switch and the lovely light that shows you all the castles around. Not Shanghai. A little bedside cabinet there. The beds are so comfy as well.
Still can't buy it.
Yeah, all the pillows. And then this one has both lights on. So this has the main light above the bed and the light for the little bedside lamp here, the phone, and it has another little cot drawer there. And also the space under the bed is huge. We put suitcases under there because the space is huge. Then this at the minute has been made up into a bed for Matilda, but you'll see from our other room tour, because the room's exactly the same, that it was a sofa when we originally filmed it. So you basically just lift that up and it pops up into a sofa. So every day you get like a service. So in the morning they come and put it back into a sofa for you, and at night time they come and do turn down service, so they put it into a bed for you. So normally what they would do is they would put the pillow down here, because this is where the little light is. But Matilda likes to actually sleep with her head here because she likes to be near me because I sleep there. So he's noticed that she's been sleeping that side. So the host has actually been putting the pillow that side for her now, which is really nice that he's noticed that that's where she's been sleeping. He's been amazing, yeah, and he started putting the pillow that side for her. I think because he's realised in the morning when he's been coming in, a pillow's been down here because I've been changing it the first night or 2. I started changing it, and now he's noticed he's done it himself, which is really, really good. Then over here in the cabinetry, you've got a mini fridge, which does keep things cold. I know people say like it's not meant to be an actual fridge. It's just meant to like this is the little mini fridge in here, so it's a really nice and cold fridge. So you've got like a little shelf and some shelves in there. The other one had like another little shelf here, so I think it must just be the configuration that they put in them. And you've got TV, 2 kind of shelves up here. This one's a bit deeper than this one, and you've got a big mirror here. Oh, this was what we got with our robes that we bought. Then there's a light switch here. This one turns the light on outside on the balcony. Then that one turns the light on and off behind us. This one does this nice light here. They do like loads of different lights. This one does no idea what light. Then there's other kind of outlets here, yeah. Then you've got another nice drawer here. You've got cupboards here. There's the hairdryer in there. One of these has a heat mat as well for straighteners. These are just nice. Again, another cupboards. And then in here, oh, we've not got the postcards. Matilda likes getting the postcards. You get like a nice little postcard and really nice Disney. Oh, we've only got 1 postcard. I was going to say you always get 2 postcards. Looks like someone's crumpled that one. And like nice little Disney stationery. We didn't get that in our other room, and that's the good morning, which is what you can put outside of your room. But not on the last day, so we couldn't put it out tonight ready for tomorrow morning. It has to be just the other days. Ready for breakfast. And you get a nice comfy chair, nice little desk, and then this is out onto our balcony. Oh, if I can do it for you, let's see. It's not locked, is it?
It doesn't lock.
Let's see. Oh, I didn't do the light, I don't think. Could you do the light for me, Aunt? I thought I'd done it, but it doesn't look like I have. I think I've pressed the wrong one. There we go. So the light comes on. So we have 2 chairs. Oh, that's my blanket. It's fell off. I kept a blanket from Top Deck. It's been really nice having that little blanket out there. Yeah, it's a good top tip that. Get the little blanket from Top Deck and you can just have a little blanket. Looks like it's just fell off the chair. So we have 2 chairs and a nice little table. But I've just been like sitting out here and wrapping myself up in this blanket. It's been really comfy. Oh gosh, I wonder if you could see that moon. You should see the moon on it. It's like a blood red moon. A sea moon. A super moon apparently is saying. You can't really see it, but it's really cool. Yeah, you can't but look through the phone.
Yeah.
I hate the fact that you can never see it. Like, I wish that people could see what I'm seeing. Like, the phone never does anything justice with things like this. It really is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a orangey red, like moon. It's so good, isn't it? It's really lovely. I wish you could see what we're seeing right now, like over the ocean. And then that is our room.